Hi, I'm Steve Johnson, Forager's Chief Investment Officer. I'd like to introduce you to our latest recruit, Alex Shevelev. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Steve. Good to be here.
Alex joins us as a Senior Analyst, and he's going to be primarily responsible for idea generation and research on our Australian fund. Alex, how did you come to be working in the world of funds management?
So I started off relatively young, and as you do when you're 12 and 13, you go and you try to buy and sell some stocks, and predictably that didn't go terribly well, and lost money in those initial stages, and thought, well, I'll go and see what the professionals do, and I'll read about how this actually works. And eventually that led me to a role in the industry, and I've had 12 years now of looking across sectors, across small and large stocks in Australia and overseas.
In your more than a decade in the industry, you've been exposed to a lot of different philosophies and styles, and you've landed in the value investing court. What has led you down that path?
I think it's that idea of buying the dollar for 50 cents is a very important one. And once you've read about it, once you've experienced it, it's a very hard one to let go of. The herd can be a seductive sort of thing. You follow the herd and everyone's comfortable and together, but it's going against that herd that often gets the best opportunities.
The value investing community itself is a pretty broad church. There are lots of different approaches and styles within it. What type of opportunities are you most attracted to, and where have you had the historical success?
I'm a big fan of stocks that have been left for dead by other investors, and there's a whole heap of issues that can result in that. So stock-specific sector issues, capacity, debt, there's a whole heap of things that can be wrapped up, and investors tend to shy away from those opportunities. There's others that simply slip from the radar of other investors. Investor attention is quite fickle and can move on to the next greatest thing, and stocks can be left behind. And also stocks where the company might actually hold some very interesting assets, but in the short term, those assets aren't generating quite the returns that we'll see in the long term. And because of that, they're often ignored. Also a great hunting ground.
That should be pretty closely aligned with what we do. Let's hope we see plenty of new ideas coming into the portfolio over the next few years. You can meet Alex, myself, and the rest of the team as we tour the country over the coming months at our roadshows. We hope you can make it along. We'll also be live broadcasting one of them online if you can't make it there in person. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.